Hablando más que peleando.
Ay, yo no me meto, no. Ay, me lo tumbó. Su nigga. Toma.
Oh, that's it. You got him right there? Oh, shit.
¿Y eso cómo fue?
Yo sé.
Yo no sé nada. Ellos se paran y empiezan a pelear. Ahí ve.
I got it, baby. Oh, he's slapping. Poochie is slow. Poochie slow. Run up in the shit, Poochie. He's slow. He's slow. Watch out, Lex. Watch out, Lex. Watch out.
Get that shit. I don't even know where to go.
Hey, Kyle, you going like this, bro. Throw that head straight, bro. Straighten that shit out.
He clocked you. He clocked you.
Stop trying to act hard, nigga. Stop trying to act hard. You can't fight, blood. On the dead homies, I'll beat your ass.
You dry snitching now, motherfucker? Are you dry snitching? Are you dry snitching?
Claimed him. Nigga claimed him. We just claimed him. Oh, now it's getting crazy. Get off me! You cut up security around. You mean, nigga? You said some bitch shit, man. What other bitch got something to say? You got something to say?
Oh, dude. There we go. That's...
Don't kick it right now. Don't kick it right now. Lady, you kick it. Lady, you kick it. You kick it, lady.